Hey boys and girls, Mr. McCauley here. I'm going to talk about this diagram of the eye and how your eye, a human eye, sees light. Just so you know, this is the big eyeball. It's inside your eye socket. This is the optic nerve that goes over to your brain, and this is the outside of your eye. Let's talk about the different parts. First of all, there is a covering on the outside of your eye. Tip, is it transparent, translucent, or opaque? It's transparent, of course. The light goes right in. This covering protects your eye, and it's called a cornea. Okay, so it's the outer cover. Then you've got this hole right here, and this is where the light comes in and goes through the little black hole, little black circle in your eye. Take a look at your partner. There's a little, it doesn't matter what color their eye is, but right in the middle there's a little circle, and that circle can open and close. When it's open, a lot of light comes in. That's what it does when you're in a dark room. It opens really wide, so lots of light. But you go to the sunshine, and quickly this closes to a very small circle. This little hole right here is called the pupil. Right there, the pupil. Under here, this part here is actually the colored part of your eye, number 3, and that's called the iris. So the iris opens and closes, and when it opens up really wide, you have a really big pupil, lots of light goes in, and when it closes up, you have a small pupil, and you don't have a lot of light going in. It is called the iris. Then you've got this thing in the middle. It's actually a lens. It's not made out of glass, though. And it does all the work of focusing the light on the back of the eyeball. This area on the back of the eyeball is very special. But the lens will change shape so that it focuses the light on the back. And so, of course, number 4 is the lens. Just a tip, as you get older, the lens doesn't work as well as when you're younger. That's why people need glasses to help them focus. This area here inside the eyeball is very, very specialized. It has a number of cells that can tell what kind of light you're seeing. The light gets focused by the lens, and it makes the image back here, and the cells then tell the brain what you're seeing. So all these cells are hooked up with nerves, and all those nerves leave your eyeball here at the back and go out to the brain. This area here of specialized cells is called the retina. So the retina are all the cells that can tell what you're seeing. And the retina passes off the information to the specialized optic nerve. And that nerve goes up to your brain, and your brain figures out what you're seeing. So there is the answers to all the different parts of the eye. See you later.